Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Shadow PC error code U-200. The error reads, "Sorry, an issue happened with the update services in your Shadow PC." As per our research, the error comes when users try to boot up Shadow PC, whether on their phone or laptop. The error prevents the system from launching properly. According to our research, this error occurs because a component was not correctly set up during the installation of the recovery mode. The recovery mode is a minimal environment in Shadow PC, which is used when update issues arise. The first thing we suggest is to send your diagnostic logs to the Shadow support team and then restart your Shadow PC. To do this, first, access the Shadow contact form from their website to reach out to Shadow support. And report the issue and make sure to include the error code U-200 in your message. Also, send your logs. Once the message is sent, go back to your Shadow launcher and click on Start Again to retry the update. This may take several minutes. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try uninstalling the Shadow launcher and reinstalling the latest installer from the official website. Simply remove the existing launcher from your system, then go to the Shadow website and download the new .x file. And install it again and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then check if there are any known issues with the Shadow system itself. You can do this by visiting status.shadow.tech. If there are ongoing issues, then you might need to wait until they are resolved. Then check if this resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then we recommend waiting for a fix from the Shadow team. You can keep an eye on their official channels or reach out again to support for further updates. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.